Gmail not receiving emails. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't have to open Gmail, you have to go and open the settings of your device. And after this, what you should do right now, you have to search for apps option, then open it like this and go to start to Gmail. Open it when you found it, guys, like this, and then go to storage option, click on clear cache, and also go back, click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next, you have to go to permission and click on files and media, and you have to allow access to media only, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.